Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 Chevrolet Blazer? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Air conditioning refrigerant oil, anti-lock brake system. Airbag readiness light, charging system light. Brake system warning light, cruise control light. Door ajar light, engine coolant temperature. Engine oil pressure light, malfunction indicator lamp. Forward collision alert, high beam on light. Lamps on reminder, lane change alert. Lane departure warning, lane keep assist. Low fuel warning light, park assist. Electric parking brake light, performance shifting light. Driver seat belt reminder light. Security light, service electric parking brake light. Stability track off light, traction control system. Tire pressure light, traction off light. Vehicle ahead indicator, pedestrian ahead indicator. Driver mode control light. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.